Supining with the long waffle cushions at AHRO. You want to go ahead and hyperoxygenate the patient with 100% FiO2 on the ventilator. Also, open up the red port on the long waffle cushion to start deflating the waffle. You want to have it deflated in case you need emergently reprone or just to have it ready for your next proning session. You want to disconnect monitoring as much as you can and remove any extra pillows or wedges that you use during your prone positioning. You want to take the patient's arms out of swimmer's position, and then you can remove the head cushion. You can flatten the bed, take it out of reverse Trendelenburg, drop your rails, and put it in max inflate. We'll begin layering our burrito by applying 2 chucks to the patient first. We will also apply a flat sheet to finish the burrito. You'll note there are 2 personnel on each side of the bed to help with the turn, and RT at the head of the bed will lead the turn, again similar to prone positioning. During supination, the patient is turned away from the ventilator, and this is to prevent the ET tube ventilator connections from wrapping around the patient's head. So the patient's left shoulder will end up going down and the right shoulder going up. Thus, the right shoulder will roll up and the left side will roll down. The Sally side will also go on the side that goes down. We got a little turnaround here, but we fixed it. After discussing the plan of action, the RT will lead the turn. The initial step is to slide the patient's head off the bed. We will slide the patient's body towards the ventilator or the door. Finally, we will complete the supination by rolling the patient away from the ventilator. Typically, this is done in 2 steps if it's a larger patient, but this is a smaller patient, so we were able to roll her in 1 step. You want to finally slide the patient's head back onto the bed. Apply all monitoring, reconnect tubes that may have been disconnected for the turn. RT will check placement and patency of ET tube and ventilator connections. The patient can be placed back in 30 degrees ahead of bed with the rails up for safety. The patient is now safely supined.